How much should you actually spend on a Korean skin whitening serum? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1. Anua Niacinamide 10 Plus TXA4 Serum. The Anua Niacinamide 10 Plus TXA4 Serum caught my eye right away. At just $15.40, it promises to tackle dark spots while keeping your skin hydrated. If you want a reliable dark spot care solution, this is worth a serious look. This serum is packed with 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid, which means it targets dullness and uneven skin tone directly. On top of that, there's hyaluronic acid to keep your skin feeling moisturized and plump. For anyone struggling with dark spots or enlarged pores, this combo is brilliant. Plus, it's fragrance-free, making it safe for even the most sensitive skin types. With over 60,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly making waves. Now, some people mentioned it didn't absorb as quickly as expected. Here's the thing though, as long as you give it a minute to sink in, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a daily serum that hydrates and corrects dark spots. Skip this one if you prefer something with a strong scent or thicker texture. For the price, it really delivers. Now, if Anua's slower absorption bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Tosa Wong Arbutin 7% plus tranexamic acid 4% cream, priced at $25. This caught my attention because it's highly concentrated with 70,000 ppm arbutin, promising serious results for dark spots and pigmentation. If you want to minimize blemishes effectively, keep listening. The powerhouse ingredients here include 40,000 ppm of tranexamic acid and niacinamide, both known for their brightening benefits. This cream not only targets dark spots, but also helps to even out your skin tone while keeping your complexion moisturized. It's like a spa treatment in a jar. Over 20,000 have been sold recently, which speaks volumes about its effectiveness. Some reviews point out that it might feel a bit heavy for daily use, but honestly, if you're looking for something potent to tackle stubborn pigmentation, a little thickness can be a small price to pay for results. This is perfect for you if you have persistent dark spots and want a powerful cream. Skip it if you're after something super lightweight or if you already have oily skin. At $25, it's definitely more of an investment, but worth it for those stubborn spots. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for brightening your skin.
Product number 3, SoulCeuticals 20% Vitamin C Serum. Let's talk about the SoulCeuticals 20% Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Coming in at $19.98, it's a great option for anyone looking to brighten their skin while fighting signs of aging. If you want a bright and youthful glow, this serum is definitely worth checking out. This serum packs a punch with its 20% vitamin C, which is known for its powerful antioxidant properties. It helps fade sunspots and wrinkles, making it a great all-in-one solution. Plus, with hyaluronic acid in the mix, your skin stays hydrated while looking brighter. Many users report seeing results in as little as 3 weeks. With 10,000 units sold recently, it's a favorite for a reason. However, a few users did mention some tingling upon application. Here's the thing, a little tingling can mean it's working, but if you have sensitive skin, you may want a patch test first. This is perfect for you if you're concerned about aging and want to brighten your skin simultaneously. Skip this one if you have super sensitive skin that reacts easily. For under $20, it's a steal for what it offers. Now, if a bit of tingling makes you uneasy, then wait until you hear about this next serum.
Product number 4. Numbuzin No 5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum. The Numbuzin No 5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum, priced at $14.99. This one caught my eye because it combines several great ingredients in one product. If you're looking for a multi-benefit serum, this is for you. With tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and glutathione, this serum is designed to tackle dark spots while giving your skin a radiant glow. The texture is lightweight, making it perfect for day-to-day use without feeling heavy. Plus, it's alcohol-free and suitable for all skin types, so you can use it without worrying about irritation. It's already attracted 9,000 buyers this past month, which shows it's gaining popularity. Some users found it didn't work as quickly as they hoped. But here's the thing, skincare often takes time, and for a serum that combines several beneficial ingredients, a little patience can lead to great results.
This is ideal for you if you want an all-in-one serum that provides hydration and brightness. Skip this if you're looking for something with a more potent focus on a single ingredient. For under $15, it's a pretty good deal for what you get. Now, if you're seeking something with a stronger focus on hydration, the last product on our list might just be the perfect solution.
Product number 5, Anua Rice Ceramide 7 Hydrating Barrier Serum. We have the Anua Rice Ceramide 7 Hydrating Barrier Serum, priced at $14.45. This one stood out to me because it's all about hydration and skin barrier support. If you're dealing with dry skin and want a boost in moisture, this might be your answer. This serum is formulated with 3% niacinamide and arbutin, designed to hydrate while improving your skin's texture. The unique elastic texture feels like a soft cushion on your skin, absorbing quickly and leaving it refreshed. Plus, it controls excess oil, making it great for those with combination skin. With 9,000 units sold recently, it's proving to be a favorite. Some people mentioned it might not feel moisturizing enough in dry climates, but honestly, if you layer it under a moisturizer, it works beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want to improve hydration and strengthen your skin barrier. Skip it if you're looking for intense brightening only. For the price, it's a solid option that delivers hydration while supporting your skin.
We covered the Anua Niacinamide Serum for dark spots, the Toso Wound Cream for pigmentation, the Sol Sutricals Vitamin C Serum for brightening, the Numbersin for an all-in-one option, and the Anua Rice Ceramide Serum for hydration. Each offers unique benefits, so consider what your skin needs most before making a choice.